Hey, it's your girl Nisha B, and this is my garden channel, and I'm going to show y'all the plants I've been growing in my front yard garden the past summer. Okay, let's get into it. So we're out here on a gloomy Saturday looking at the garden. I'm out here in my front yard garden. These cucumbers, they look bitter, so that's why I picked them on off. I know they small, so they probably not done, but the yellow one on it telling me that they probably be better. Maybe not these ones at the top, but the rest of them is. And I don't know how much longer I'm gonna keep this cucumber plant in because it's 4 plants. It's looking really sad, like it's time to let it go and put a new one in. So I got jalapeno pepper plants right here. They still blooming. Ain't nothing really formed as far as I know because I missed all past some bell peppers. I knew about 2, but I didn't know about the other one. And I was debating on get that one out because we're supposed to have bad weather in the week and the stem is so small compared to the one that was completely blossoming and rotten. And my purple bell peppers like they coming in good. But on the cantaloupe side, we got plenty of cantaloupes and they are doing well. So that's the completely blossoming and rotten bell pepper, green bell pepper. That I picked off. I had one to fall off as well that was small, so that's why I'm debating on going and picking the other one off. This cantaloupe is huge, and it's still not ready because it doesn't have the texture completely over the whole thing, and it don't sound that hollow. So as far as I have researched stuff, you're supposed to let it fall off, but I don't like that plan. So the other thing that I learned, I'm gonna continue to do some more research, but the other thing that I learned to tell is the redness, the texture is what I'm gonna go by. When it completely look like a cantaloupe. Got a lot of rain, so hopefully it won't split before it's finished ripening up. No, we haven't watered it in a while of the garden because it's been raining, been non-stop raining about 4 days. Okay, y'all, we coming to an end because I gotta get some rest.
Yeah, free water, I love it. Free water, I love it.
But before I finish and say bye, I wanna look at my kale plants and my bean plants. They are blooming. We're gonna take a look over here at my hubby's patch. A good bit of his beans are blooming. And we're gonna look at the cantaloupes on that side as well, and that'll be it. So these are the beans that we have grown, and we got some bush variety beans. We'll go over which ones is which in a later video. I was just showing y'all the progress of the flowers blooming. We also have kale down here as well. He's doing good. He's probably tastes better than mine because it's taking his time. We don't know. Then we got a vine bean plant over here as well. So the varieties are between northern bean, bush bean, and wax long bean. But yeah. Yeah, our turtle ate the bug. That's what we do with our pets. We feed them to our turtle. And he got marigold over here as well. Yeah, Tammy enjoys her dinner. Okay, and let's look at the cantaloupes. Let's look at the cantaloupes. Alright, guys. Quite a few over here. There's one. Got two. Three. Four. 5. Okay, I see 5 cantaloupes. Oh, and 6 under there. Alright, you guys. Got one under there as well. Everywhere. I'm quite sure I missed. I know I missed the other ones. Got like 3 more in the garden. And I'm not gonna show today. But yeah. So the rain has did us some justice. Right now at this time around last time it gave us a heartache and some work to do to fix some plant stems and everything like that. But this time it did us good. Alright. See y'all next time. Happy gardening.